Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's know about PNB's mPASSBOOK. But before heading, first let's know what is PNB's mPASSBOOK all about and who can use it. mPASSBOOK is basically an app where you can view your account's ledger, or in simple words I may say your passbook in your mobile phone. So now let's know who can use mPASSBOOK. In case you are having an account in PNB and that account is of retail nature, or I may say this account stands at your own name and not of any firm or company's name, then you can use this app to view your account's ledger at your fingertips. Now let's know what types of account you can view here in mPASSBOOK. In mPASSBOOK, you can view your deposit accounts like savings, current and term deposit. And also, you can view your loan accounts like overdraft and term loan accounts. Now the next question is, what all you can do through mPASSBOOK? So by mPASSBOOK, you can just do your account's balance inquiry, download your account statements and also your interest certificates. One thing that you need to remember is PNB doesn't offer any transaction facility by its mPASSBOOK app. So to avail PNB's mPASSBOOK, you just need your smartphone with internet facility and your registered number in the handset that you wish to have your app downloaded. Now let's begin the process of installation of mPASSBOOK. First, open your Play Store and type PNB mPASSBOOK. Now you need to download this app and install it. After installation of the app, first you need to select your preferred language for operating this app. Suppose here I am selecting the English option. After selecting the language, you have to click the proceed option. Then you have to enter the customer ID, which you can find in the front page of your passbook. After giving your customer ID, then click register option. After that, you will receive a SMS in your registered mobile number. This SMS will be of 4 digits. Now you have to enter this OTP and select the proceed option. After that, you have to now set your new MPIN. MPIN will be the PIN by which you will be logging in the app. After that, you have to again re-enter the MPIN to confirm it. Now you will receive a pop-up which will show your MPIN is set and now you are ready to use this app. After entering the MPIN and logging in the app, you will find this page where you can view all your accounts and their corresponding balances along with their statements. Suppose I want to view the statement of my this account. So first I have to select this account. Then I'll be getting two options. First is to see just the last 10 transactions and the second where you can find statements of your last 90 days. Suppose I want to view my just last 10 transactions. So I click over here and I can find this page where all my last 10 transactions will be displayed. But if I want to view the transactions of my preferred date, first I need to select the from date and then the to date. Remember, the from date to to date must be of maximum 90 days. After selecting the dates, click Detail Statements. Now I can find this statement. If I now want to download this statement, then I have to click this plus icon. After that, I have to select the Download Statement option. Then select the order of the transactions. I am selecting the by default option of newest first. After that, I'll be getting this message where you can see your downloaded statements in your mPASSBOOK folder, and the statement will be password protected and your account number will be your password. Now in the bottom of the app, you can find this download statements option, and by clicking it, you can find your statement that you have downloaded. After clicking it, your system will prompt you to give the password, which is your account number. Now, you can view your statement in PDF format. But if you wish to email your statement, then you have to click the plus icon, then select the option of email statement. Select your order of transaction and you are done. Now check your registered mail and you can find your statement in PDF format. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.